Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about the searching procedure using array. So, today I am going to discuss about linear search. So, what is the basic concept of the linear search? There is an array. We will give an input for searching element and the array will be traversed, and each and every iteration the searching element will check whether that particular element is present in the array or not. So this is the array where I have mentioned 8 elements. Okay, you can see there is 8 elements are there. Okay, so name of the array is A, where 8 elements are present. So 10, 18, 27, 51, 40, 29, 30, 32. These all are the elements. So 10 is present in the 0 position, 18 is 1, 27 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know the starting index of an array is 0 and the ending index is n minus 1. n is the length of array. This is the length of an array. That's why the last element index is 7, starting from 0 and ending at 7. Now, I have you can see there is a loop, for loop I equal to 0 less than 8, because from the starting index and the ending index, less than 8 means it will end at index number 7. So, search. What is the function of this search element? This is the variable where the user will give the input for searching element. The element the user want to search inside this array. So, each and every iteration, the search element will be compared with the each and every value of that array. So, A of I means when I value is 0, when I equal to 0, it will check. A of I means the element inside the index value. So, it will check the search element present in I equal to 0 index or not. Suppose I want to search 40. I want to search 40 is present in the array or not. First, what I will do? 40 will be compared with the A of I value, that is 10. That means that both the values are not equal. So, it will again increment its value and will go to the next row and check the value of A of 1. When I equal to 1, then it will check A of 1 is 18 and the value is 40. Both are not equal. That means still my flag is not 1. The flag value, the function of the flag value is when we will get the searching element, we will increment the flag value by 1. The flag is like a boolean value. Okay, if I get the searching element or the search is successful, I can declare the flag is 1 means I have got the element. Okay, so the initial value of the flag is 0. So flag is initial value is 0. So till now my flag value is not 1. When I will get the value, then I will make the flag value 1. So now till now my flag value is 0. Now it will go to the next iteration, 27 and 40 not equal, 51 and 40 not equal. Then A of 4, that means at 5th position I am getting the searching element. I have found the searching element at 5th position, that is A of 4. So when I will match both the elements, then I will make the flag value 1. And when the flag value is 1, I can conclude the searching element is present in this array. So this is the whole concept of the linear search. Why it is called linear? Because each and every time I am searching the element with a consecutive way. Okay, not like haphazard, not like this from starting or mid, not like that. I am searching the element from the beginning to end in a consecutive manner. That's why it is called linear. It's a linear manner. First the index 0, then 1, 2 and so on. Okay, so finally we will get the value for searching element. So if the flag value is not 1, then I can conclude the particular searching element is not present in this array. Thank you.